How to make your own sound on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can create your own sound on TikTok. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here on open up TikTok, and let's say this is the video that we want, right? So what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and save this video, right? You can even screen record it on as your own, totally depends on you. But once you have it, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and create your own TikTok. So let's say you want to create a 60-second video. So what you'll do is click over here onto your gallery and upload the video that you downloaded or screen recorded. Select the video that you want, right? This is the video that we want. Click on next. And now what we can do is we can upload it onto our TikTok, but we'll upload it as a private video. So click on the settings over here. Who can view this post? Only you. This will make this private. It won't be anything. So I'll even disallow the comments and everything. And I'll click on next. And then you can post it. Since I have downloaded it and TikTok discovered or recognized that I had downloaded a content. So that's why it's telling me to reuse it as a duet or anything. But yeah, you can click over here. And now you just simply click on post, accept the terms and conditions, click on post, and video has been posted. Now we can come over here onto our locked content, and there we go. So now we have the video right here. So if I open it up, and now if I click on this music video or this audio, right, I should be able to use it. But as of right now, the sound isn't available. That I believe it's because I didn't. All right, so last time I uploaded the wrong video because it didn't have any sound. That's why I couldn't, click on it, and it would say that, there is no music or sound. So like this one, right? If I click over here, this is basically, it didn't have any sound, but I uploaded another video, right? So now if we click on this little icon, right, the sound icon, you can see right here, it says this is my own audio now, right? So now people can use it, and basically now you have your own audio. So this is how you do it. This is how you create your own sound on TikTok. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.